BarryTiger. Subscribe!
Race car versus Octopus Truck.
Wow! The race is about to start, ladies and gentlemen! Let's give a warm welcome to Race Car Cyclone! And the next is...
Allow me to introduce myself. I am Octopus Truck, who will defeat Cyclone and become the champion.
Stop your boasting. Just wait and see.
Well, the best is yet to come.
How about that, Octopus Truck? I told you, you're no match for me.
Then here's my ink attack.
Oh no! I can't see anything!
Oh no! A player is injured! Pause the race!
Oh gosh! Someone was hurt in the race earlier!
I think you're talking about me.
Oh! Race car cyclone!
Super Mechanic Barry, can you fix me? I have to rush back to the race.
Leave this to me. Dear friends, let's repair the race car.
The ink smells so bad, and I'm covered in it.
I think the heavy-duty wash gun can rinse off the ink.
Wow! I love showers!
And now, we need to dry the water off the race car.
Woohoo!
Hooray! The repair is done.
This repair station is so advanced! I like it!
Uh-oh! Cyclone, you have a flat tire.
Aw, I don't like it at all.
Don't you worry, we will get you a new one to use. We'll remove the broken tire first. Then, let's see what we have in the toolbox.
Wow!
Cyclone, please choose your favorite one.
Whoa, the rainbow tire! I like it!
Now, we'll put on the new tire.
Wow! The new tires are so cool! I like it!
The repair is done. Dear friends, you all did a great job.
Thank you so much, Super Mechanic Barry! I can head back to the race now! Goodbye!
Goodbye, Cyclone. I'll cheer you on.
Well, if it isn't my defeated opponent.
I won't fall for your trick again!
Take this!
Jump up!
What?
This is my final sprint! The miracle